Alright, when it was time to get a real ultrasonic cleaner, just looked around and did some research and decided to go with this 8.4 gallon or 32 liter KUNPHY. So this one is in a box that's 16 by 16 and weighs about 33 pounds. This is how it arrived when it shipped. Let's take it out of the box and take a look at it. Nice to see that it's in a heavy styrofoam. There we go. On the sides and on the top. There's the lid. Looks like the stainless has a cover on it still. We've got the basket. It's inside a bubble wrap. Looks like we've got the hose, the drain hose, the instructions, the cord, and some tools. The cleaner itself completely assembled. There's styrofoam on the bottom. Let's get rid of that box. Alright, once it's out of the box, it's in a bag here. Get some label on the side here. Really nice. I don't know if you can tell how nice this diamond plate is. It's not diamond plate, it's a design. Wow, that's really nice. I had no idea. There's a nice ball valve here for draining. Handles on the sides, on the long sides. This is all stainless. Looks like we got a switch and a plug down there. Nice, heavy duty, all one piece. Look at that max fill line all the way up to the top. The best is just about an inch below. The minimum is really low. And then we've got this basket with little plastic feet on the bottom. So that'll go right in and it'll work with the minimum all the way up to the maximum. This is the ultrasonic cleaner that I've been waiting for. It's from KUNPHY. Looks like all the controls are on the side here. I don't want to turn it on without reading the instructions, but yeah, we got all the buttons here, easy to clean. I thought this was a label, but this is really the readouts and the buttons and everything. Very cool. Looking forward to using this one, a truly professional machine. I'd like to thank KUNPHY for sending us this one to review.